Hey guys, it's Aidette. Today I am finally sitting down and doing another makeup tutorial slash review, but I promise you guys this is not going to be a boring review. We kind of like had a little bit of issues at one point and I did throw a little bit of a tantrum, I'm not going to lie, but I mean you guys would probably too if you guys will see what happened. But besides that, this Sailormoon x Colourpop collection was, oh my goodness, you guys just have to see the rest of the video to understand why I'm so excited and like super jumpy about it. Look at this look. It is so cute, like a little bubblegum anime princess right now. So we have some cute little lavender glitter eyes and a bubblegum cheek paired with a super glossy lip. I'm getting very like soft little anime baby vibes, you know what I mean? I'm very excited to show you guys how I created this look along with a tiny little review along with it. And so without further ado, because I know you guys are very excited as much as I am, let's just get right into it. I'm back with another tutorial, guys. I have a lisp right now because I have whitening strips in, and that's because I've been drinking so much coffee and soda recently, which is not good. It started off with a cheat day and then I started going crazy. That's why I can't have cheat days at all, because just a little taste of sugar and I'm like, oh, one more is okay. I'm feeling a little pale today. We are going to put a foundation on that's a little bit darker, but I'm gonna try to match my shoulders. I'm so excited to use this collection here, y'all. Ooh, she looks so juicy. Let me just show you real quick. This is what the collection looks like. Can we talk about how beautiful and holographic it is? I just got this collection in today, so you guys are pretty much seeing this a few days after it has launched, and I'm so excited to share this with you guys. Also, this is not a sponsored video. I just saw this and it was like, oh my god, this is actually a collection that I'm genuinely excited for, and that really doesn't happen for me anymore with many makeup companies because I feel like a lot of them are slacking. Colourpop really outdid themselves with the Sailormoon collab. I'm so excited to use it. Let's get right into it. But before we do get started, I'm just gonna go ahead and quickly do my face makeup on here with you guys, and I'm not really gonna explain too much. I'm just gonna kind of ramble on while I do my face. All these TikTok sounds are stuck in my head and there's no way to get them out now. What foundation do we want to use today? Foundation. I thought someone was coming up the stairs, but they're not. I do have a foundation routine that is very full coverage, and it is coming very soon. So if you guys want that, let me know. It is with the Huda Beauty products. They are so good. But for today, I think today we will be using our Lancome Teint Idole Ultra Wear, and this one is pretty close to my skin color. It is pretty light. Today I usually do use my LA Girl, but my LA Girl is a little too dark for me, and use something that's a little bit more my color, so I don't get roasted from you guys. But this Lancome one is pretty juicy too. So by the way, this is the shade 280 Bisque Warm, BISW. And then I actually kind of really like this concealer here that I'm using. This one is by Beauty Bakery, and this concealer is called Insta Bake, and it kind of makes your under eyes look like it's face tuned, and I'm not even BSing you guys, it is so good. So I'm gonna be mixing it with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Tawny. I was just thinking about all of the pre-filmed videos that I had when I filmed when I had blue hair, and I didn't realize that I have that many videos that I still haven't edited. I'm sure my people won't trip over me posting some older videos, like they're just older, but they're not too old because I recently just dyed my hair brown. But it's just pre-filmed videos that I've been meaning to post for you guys. And then I'll be using my favorite powder, which is the Huda Beauty Banana Powder. One of my favorite things is when my friends send me TikToks. I knew it was gonna be about Billy. I was just about to tell you guys. So my friend Rubina, the girl that does my makeup, videos coming soon of her doing my makeup more often. Whenever someone sends me a TikTok, I know it's gonna be about Billy because everyone associates Billy with me because they know I'm like one of her biggest fans. She texts me and she's like, anything Billy I see, I send you. You're welcome, bye. Period. And just so you guys can see how much I love this bronzer, this is the LA Girl, which by the way, discount code here. This thing is amazing. I use it for bronzer all the time, so I'm going to use a fluffy brush like this and just bronze up my face and then take some of my Huda powder and just clean it up. So we're going to be playing with a little bit of color today. So again, this is the collection. I'm so excited. I'm so pumped. Here's the palette. This is like so fudging cute. I can't even get over it. If you take a look, it is holographic, so you put it to the side. She has her mouth open. So here are the colors that we get to play with today. It's pretty much like all a soft pastel palette, which I truly appreciate. I'm kind of like more gravitating towards this purpley shade. And you guys know that lavender is not even my go-to color really at all, but this one for some reason is just really calling my name, so let's do that. So I'm going to show you guys the packaging and the colors. Again, this is the palette. This is called the Pretty Guardian Sailormoon Pressed Powder Palette, and then it does come with 2 blushes. So these are called the Pressed Powder Blushes. Here is From the Moon. Like, I can't get over it. It's so adorable. And then you open it and then you have a beautiful like bubblegum bright pink blush. This is what the packaging looks like, by the way. A cute little kitty. And then it is more of like a peachy pink, I'd say. Here they are side by side, and if you guys can kind of look a little bit more closely, they do have a kitty imprinted into them. You really can't get any cuter than this. Then you get 2 lip bundles. So it comes with a gloss and a blotted lip. They both pretty much have the same packaging. So this one is Moonlight. This one here is Moonlight. And I really like the peachy one. And then this one here is Daylight. Nudie peachy color is so cute. These are the 4 lippies. And lastly, they gave me 2 of their glitters. This one here is called Moonlight Legend, and this one is Moon Prism Power. Look at these 2 glitters, y'all. And I'm not going to do my eyebrows too dramatic today. I'm going to be starting off with the purple. When I'm placing on the product, I do see that it is very light. So I'm going to be taking my favorite spray ever. This is the All Nighter Spray by Urban Decay. I'm just going to be wetting my brush. Oh yes, that's much, much better. So make sure you're patting the product and not spreading it out, or else you're not going to get the same effect. But I am seeing that it is not as pigmented. Woo. Holy f. Oh my god. Holy f. Ow, 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 ow. Like, it's burning really, really bad. It was already burning when I applied without the spray, so I know that it's not the spray. That's so weird because that has never happened to me. I'm gonna put the product on the other eye to see maybe if it was just this eye. Also, I didn't spritz the brush, so this is dry. That is so weird. It's still burning my eye, like it feels warm. And that was dry too, so I know that it wasn't the spray. I'll be right back, guys. I'm gonna wait for this tingling to kind of go away. It might be just that eyeshadow. I don't really think I'm gonna be having a problem with the rest of the shadows. I really just think that it is that shimmery shade. So Moon Castle right here. This one is like a peachy little eyeshadow, just to add a little bit more color. See, like this one feels totally fine. I don't know what was going on with this metallic one though. Right under, but very lightly, just so it's not bald. It just kind of gives you like that little baby type bit. On top of that, I did want to add some glitter just because I'm feeling a little glittery. So I don't know if I should put the purple one on or if I should do the pink one. I'm going to avoid the area where I'm going to be placing my lashes because the last time that I've applied their glitter like this before and I applied it like close to the lash line, it was kind of like slippery, of course, since this is more like a gel consistency. So I'm gonna go ahead and decide which one of the blushes I want. I feel like since I have so much shimmer on my eyes, From the Moon, and this one is a super bright pink blush. Little baby motions and just dabbing it on. But this color is really, really pretty. Now I'm going to be setting my face with my Urban Decay spray. And right after this dries a bit, I'm gonna go ahead and take the palette again, and we're going to be taking this shade right here as our highlights. This one because it has more of a pinky undertone. Oh! Now I'm going to be taking my Marc Jacobs mascara. My name's engraved in it, so I like never really want to get rid of it. No, it's okay. That's it, I'm quitting YouTube. All right, and for my lashes, I'm gonna be using these Tati lashes. This is in the style TL3. Holy duck. Okay, and now for our lippies. So we're gonna go with this one. This one is in the shade Sailor Moon. I think we're just gonna take the shade Bear from LA Girl, my favorite brand for lippies. All right, and now that we have the outline, we're gonna go ahead and take Sailor Moon. Oh, it smells like candy. Ooh. So this is the eyes, the lips, the face. All right guys, so that is it for today's makeup look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. You guys did see that I liked 90% of the collection. The only one thing that I didn't like is that single one eyeshadow burned my eyelids, and I can't seem to like understand why. I really don't know why, but other than that, I think Colourpop killed the collection. That's the only thing, but the colors, that everything was just so juicy. I just kind of stopped doing makeup tutorials for a minute because I felt like you guys were kind of over it and didn't really vibe with it anymore. But if you guys are liking them and like how I'm doing them a little bit more like laid back and chit chatty with you guys, let me know and I will continue doing them. Love you guys so much, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video.